Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the topic that is calculation of total assets, opening and closing capital and profit and loss. Here I am reading out the first question. If the capital of a business is rupees 3 lakhs and liabilities are rupees 50,000, loss given 70,000, calculate the total assets of the business. We know the basic formula of accounting equation, which is assets equals to liabilities plus capital. The same formula we are going to apply here. As you know, all adjustments related to profits, losses, drawings done with capital. Okay, so here also we'll adjust this amount of loss with the capital. In the question we have capital amounted rupees 3 lakh and loss given 70,000. As you know, profits are added with the capital and losses are to be subtracted. So we are going to subtract this 70,000 from the capital amount. So our closing capital, yes, after adjustment, the capital would be closing one. So our closing capital is rupees 2,30,000. Now you will add rupees 50,000 with this 2,30,000. Your total assets will be rupees 2,80,000. Okay, liability is given in the question 50,000 plus capital, that is the adjusted one, closing capital, we got 2,30,000. So total assets will be rupees 2,80,000. Now question number 2. If total assets of a business rupees 1,30,000 and net worth is rupees 80,000, calculate the creditors. Formula of net worth is total assets minus liability, that is capital only. In this question we have net worth of rupees 80,000. Total assets is given 1,30,000. So how will you get liabilities? If you transpose this 80,000 to right hand side, it will be subtracted from 1,30,000. So liabilities would be 50,000. Okay, that is your creditors. 1,30,000 minus 80,000, 50,000 is our creditors, because that comes under liabilities. Here question number 3. A commenced his cloth business on 1st April 2018 with a capital of rupees 30,000. Okay, that means opening capital is given rupees 30,000. On 31st March 2019, his assets worth rupees 50,000 and liabilities worth rupees 10,000. Okay, that means we have closing assets and liabilities. Find out closing capital and profits earned during the year. Simply the basic accounting equation formula we need to apply here, because in this question we have closing assets and liabilities. That's why we are applying this formula. So closing capital would be closing assets minus closing liabilities. Okay. Assets given 50,000 and closing liabilities we have 10,000. 50,000 rupees minus 10,000 is 40,000. That is our closing capital. Now students, there is one more formula of closing capital. Okay, you need to keep in mind both the formulas, whichever is convenient to you as per the given information in the question. We need to apply the formulas. Another formula of closing capital is, as you have solved so many questions of accounting equation, at last when we get final equation, that time the capital which we are having is the closing capital. Okay, in the final equation. So how we get that closing capital? Initial capital is known as your opening capital. Whatever profits we are getting in the business, you need to add the amount. If there is additional capital in the business, अगर और पैसे invest हुए हैं business में, what you gonna do with that? You will add that amount. If there is losses, you will subtract. In the same manner, drawings also subtracted from the capital. Okay, so here is the formula of closing capital. Opening capital plus profit plus additional capital minus loss minus drawings. Okay, in this question we got closing capital. Now we need to calculate profit earned. Closing capital just now we have calculated rupees 40,000. Opening capital, that is 30,000, is already given in the question. We don't have additional capital, loss, drawings here. Profit we need to calculate. So substitute the values here. Closing capital 40,000 equals to opening capital 30,000 plus profit which we need to calculate. Transpose the amount of 30,000 to left hand side. So profit will be rupees 40,000 minus rupees 30,000. You will get 10,000 rupees as your profit. Next question. Mohan started a business on 1st April 2018 with a capital of rupees 25,000 and a loan of rupees 12,500 borrowed from Shyam. So what is it, students? 25,000 is opening capital. See the date, 1st April. He started business with capital. So it will be opening capital. Loan will come under liabilities. Okay. So opening capital is 25,000 and liabilities, that is loan, rupees 12,500. 2018-19, during the year he had introduced additional capital of rupees 12,500, alright, and had withdrawn rupees 7,500 for personal use. What is it? This will be termed drawings. On 31st March 2019, his assets were rupees 75,000. These are closing assets. Find out his capital as on 31st March 2019 and profit made or loss incurred during the year. In the question we have closing assets given. 31st March 2019 assets will be considered closing assets. And you can see liabilities we had rupees 12,500 और उसमें कुछ additions हुए नहीं है. So the same will be considered as closing liabilities. है ना, हम बोल सकते हैं that will be your closing liabilities. So closing capital would be, the formula is closing capital equals to assets minus liability. Here closing assets minus closing liabilities. So 75,000 minus 12,500, that is loan, which comes under the category of liabilities, and because there are no additionals there, we can consider the same as closing liabilities. So closing capital would be rupees 62,500. Just now we have discussed another formula of closing capital. With the help of that formula, we can calculate profit or loss. Alright, here I have written the formula. Closing capital equals to opening capital plus profit plus additional capital minus drawings. Closing capital we have calculated 62,500 equals to opening capital, it is given in the question 25,000, plus profit which we need to calculate, plus additional capital, you can see 12,500 given, less drawings 7,500. Okay, so here we got profit of rupees 32,500. Now how will you come to know whether the amount is profit or loss? If the answer is in positive, it will be your profit, and if it comes in negative, it will be considered loss. Here we got 32,500 in positive, so it is our profit. Alright. Let me explain you this steps one more time. Closing capital we got 62,500. Opening capital here 25,000 plus profit plus additional capital 12,500 minus drawing 7,500. So this side is LHS side, we have only one component, that is closing capital, equals to 25,000 plus 12,500 is 37,500 minus 7,500 is 30,000. So that's why I have written 62,500 equals to 30,000 plus profit. You will transpose this 30,000 to left hand side, then the profit is equal to 32,500. Okay, I have subtracted this 30,000 from 62,500. Your last question for today. On 31st March 2019, the total assets and external liabilities were rupees 2 lakh and rupees 6,000 respectively. During the year, the proprietor had introduced capital of rupees 20,000 and withdrawn rupees 12,000 for personal use. He made a profit of rupees 20,000 during the year. Calculate the capital as on 1st April 2018. 1st April 2018 means we need to calculate opening capital. As you know, as per financial year, it starts from 1st April and ends on 31st of March. So we need to calculate opening capital here. For that, let us calculate the amount of closing capital. We can calculate that with the help of total assets and external liabilities as it is given on 31st March 2019. That means these are closing ones. So closing capital equals to closing assets minus closing liabilities. Closing assets we have 2 lakhs and closing liabilities given 6,000. Closing capital equals to rupees 1,94,000. Students, today only we discussed the formula of closing capital. If opening capital, profit, additional capital, drawings are given, how will we calculate closing capital? Opening capital plus profit plus additional capital minus drawings. Okay, closing में जाना है तो opening capital में आप profits add करते हो, additional capital you will add, drawings you will subtract. If there are losses you will subtract. Okay, अब आपको closing से opening में जाना है. Okay, reverse जाना है. So the same formula will get reversed. Alright. Now you need to calculate opening capital. तो आप इसको क्या कर दोगे? Just reverse. That means opening capital equals to closing capital minus profit minus additional capital plus drawings. And if there are losses, you will add the amount. Understood? So in the last question, which we are discussing now, see, what we need to calculate here? Opening capital. So opening capital equals to closing capital minus additional capital plus drawings minus profit. जो प्रोसीजर आप क्लोजिंग कैपिटल निकालने के लिए करते थे उसका जस्ट रिवर्स करना है while calculating opening capital. Alright. Closing capital we have rupees 1,94,000 less additional capital, that is 20,000. Add drawings, it is given in the question 12,000 less profits. You can see 20,000 profit is given. So opening capital equals to rupees 1,66,000. Okay, 1,94,000 minus 20 is 1,74,000. 1,74,000 plus 12, 1,86,000. 1,86,000 minus 20,000 is rupees 1,66,000. I hope all the questions are clear to you all. Any doubt related to any topic you may ask me through my personal window.